Do you ever feel like your mind is stuck in the past or future, worrying about what could have been or what might happen? Being present can be challenging, but it's essential for living a fulfilling life. Fortunately, there are simple tricks that can help you be more present every day. These techniques don't require much time or effort, yet they yield significant results, allowing you to appreciate the beauty of the present moment. So let's explore these simple yet powerful tricks that will guide you towards a more mindful and joyful existence. Number 1. Focus on your breath. When your mind wanders into the future or past, gently bring your attention back to the present moment by focusing on your breath. This simple act of observing your inhalation and exhalation can anchor you to the present. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, or the feeling of air passing through your nostrils. By concentrating on your breath, you train your mind to stay grounded and increase your overall awareness. Number 2. Body scan meditation. Body scan meditation involves systematically bringing your attention to different parts of your body, noticing any sensations without judgment. Start by closing your eyes and bringing your focus to your toes. Slowly scan your body, acknowledging any feelings in each area, such as warmth, tingling, or pressure. This practice helps you connect with your physical self, enhancing your presence in the current moment. 3. Mindful walking. Walking can be a powerful way to cultivate mindfulness. As you walk, pay attention to the sensations of your feet on the ground, the movement of your legs, and the feeling of the sun or wind on your skin. If your mind starts to wander, gently redirect your attention to the present moment by observing your surroundings and the physical sensations of walking. Number 4. Engage your senses. Engaging your senses is a simple yet effective way to enhance your presence. Take a moment to notice the colors around you, the sounds you hear, the textures you feel, the aromas you smell, and the flavors you taste. By actively engaging with your senses, you fully immerse yourself in the present experience and appreciate the richness of life. Number 5. Single task. In our fast-paced world, multitasking is often seen as a virtue, but it can actually diminish our ability to be present. Make a conscious effort to single task, giving your full attention to one thing at a time. When you wash the dishes, savor the feeling of the water and the soap and the satisfaction of completing each task. By fully engaging in one activity, you can find joy and meaning in the present moment. 6. Connect with others. Connecting with others is a powerful way to be more present. Nurture your relationships by giving people your full, undivided attention. Listen attentively when someone speaks, offer a helping hand to a friend in need, or simply share a meal with loved ones. Nurturing connections helps you appreciate the beauty of human relationships and the present moment. Number 7. Gratitude meditation. Gratitude meditation involves focusing on feelings of thankfulness. Take a few moments to reflect on things you're grateful for. It could be your health, your loved ones, or even the air you breathe. Expressing gratitude helps you appreciate the abundance in your life and cultivates a sense of contentment in the present moment. Number 8. Observe without judgment. One way to enhance your presence is to observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Notice any emotions that arise, but don't attach to them or try to change them. Simply acknowledge their presence and let them pass like clouds in the sky. This practice of non-judgmental observation increases your self-awareness and helps you stay grounded in the present. 9. Practice yoga. Yoga not only involves physical postures, but also incorporates mindfulness and deep breathing exercises. Various yoga styles can help you cultivate a strong mind-body connection, increase flexibility, and reduce stress. Regular yoga practice can enhance your overall well-being and help you stay present in your daily life. Number 10. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals can help you stay present. Break down larger tasks into smaller, achievable steps and focus on the one you're currently working on. This prevents your mind from getting overwhelmed and allows you to fully engage in the present moment. As you accomplish small goals, you'll experience a sense of satisfaction and momentum, keeping you motivated and present. 10. Don't hold on to the past. Dwelling on the past can diminish your presence in the here and now. While it's important to learn from your experiences, it's equally crucial to forgive yourself and others for any mistakes. Holding on to grudges or regrets only burdens your mind. Embrace the present moment and focus on creating new memories rather than dwelling in the past. Cultivating the ability to be present is a transformative journey that enriches your life with mindfulness and joy. By incorporating these simple tricks into your daily routine, you'll gradually develop a deeper connection to the present moment. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection, but about making small, consistent efforts that compound over time. So embrace the practice, be patient with yourself, and revel in the beauty of each passing moment.